You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce in English this confusing word. I mean, the spelling is a bit confusing, but the pronunciation is actually pretty straightforward once you know. This is a biblical word as well. It's used in the Bible quite a bit. So this is the adjective for more vocabulary, and a noun that corresponds to it. Make sure to stay tuned. Anyways, the pronunciation in English is as grievous. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar. Grievous. Stress on the first syllable. Grievous. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.